Let's start our exploration with routes. This is usually the first file that people interact with in a Laravel application. And if I open the routes directory, you'll see that it actually has a few less files. It just has a web routes file and a console routes file. And there's no API routes or channel routes by default. And the reason for that is most Laravel applications actually don't have a public-facing API that's consumed by third parties. They just have your own internal routes and your own internal application. So there's no need for us to have this extra API routes file by default. But what if my application does have an API routes file? How can I install it and get back to where I want to be quickly? And we can do that through some new artisan commands. So I'm going to pop open a terminal, and I'm going to run php artisan install API. And this command will add the API routes file. It will install Laravel Sanctum, and I'll be ready to go developing my API